viewers. Today we are going to learn question tags with possessions. What is meant by possessions? Possessions means a state of having something. See, present tense possession, positive statement seem as if they don't have any helping verb, but the statements have helping verb. You must assume that. See, let's understand with the examples. Subjects, main verb, objects, question tags. First, subjects. See, I have car. This is a statement. I have car. This is a statement. See, in this statement, you can't find any helping verb here. I is subject, have is main verb, a car is object. So especially in present tense, possessive, positive statement, we can't find helping verb, but you must assume subjects I, you, we, they, take, do as helping verb. So this statement is positive. So question tag is negative here. Next, see subjects he, she, it. Right here, take does as helping verb. So here also, she has a new dress. This is a statement. She has a new dress. See, as is here main verb here. Right? A new dress is object. Now, because this statement is positive, so question tag is negative. Next, this is another type of possession, right? Subjects, helping verbs, main verbs, objects, question tags. Subjects, I, you, we, they. Take have has helping verb here, and got is main verb. Got is main verb. Mobile is object. This is a statement. I have got mobile, haven't I? You have got mobile, haven't you? Like that you can make sentence. We have got mobile, haven't we? They have got mobile, haven't they? Like that. Here statement. Here next sentence is subject. Is she it? Take here hasn't has helping verb here, right? See, because question tag is completely dependent on helping verb. See, he has got many friends. He is subject, has is helping verb, got is main verb here. It's a object. This is a statement. This statement is positive. So question tag is negative. He has got many friends, hasn't he? Like that. Next, present tense possession negative statement is really easy because in this kind of statements you can find helping verbs. If any sentence has helping verb, easily you can attend question tag questions very easily without any confusion. So if I see here subjects, you see you do not have online class today. Do you? See, do not and don't. Don't is a spoken form. Do not is a written form. You don't have online class today. Do you? This is a question tag. This is positive question tag because statement is negative. Here, he doesn't have problems. Does he? This here like this. Next, I haven't got any doubts. Have I? Like that. This is negative statement. Question tag is positive. Okay, like that. Next, past tense possession, positive and negative statement with examples. Here also, especially past tense possessions, positive statement, you can't find helping verb in the sentence, but you must assume the sentence has helping verb. Yes, subjects, I, you, we, they, is, it. Actually, all the subject take did. In past tense, we use did as helping verb, especially in possessions, past tense, positive statement. Here, see, we had happiness. This is a statement, right? We had happiness. This is the statement. We had happiness. This is positive statement. So question tag is negative. Here I use didn't. This statement is positive. Did, it's because sentence is in past tense. Next, we, this is a negative statement. We didn't have happiness. Negative statement. Helping verb is here. Have is main verb here. Okay, right? We didn't have happiness. Did we? It's a positive question tag. Next, future tense possession, positive and negative statement. For example, subjects. See, I and positive. I, you. Helping verbs will, yeah. For all the subject we use will or shall, yeah, for helping as helping verbs. And main verb is here have. Okay, I will have bright future, won't I? Right? This is positive statement. Question tag is negative. I won't have bright future, will I? This is sentence is negative, so question tag is positive. This much only, very easy. Just actually question tags mainly depend on helping verb here. Okay, keep it in your mind. Next, see question tags with be forms. So present tense, especially present perfect continuous tense. See in the sentence, okay, let us understand with examples. I have been living in this earth since my birth. In the sentence, you can understand. See, I is a subject. Have been is helping verb, right? There are two helping verbs. You have to take only one helping verb, okay? Don't take been here, okay? So, I have been living in this earth since my birth. See, question tag is haven't I? Because this statement is positive, question tag is negative, okay? Haven't, see that, haven't I, this much only. Next, I haven't been living in this earth since my birth. See in this statement you can understand, just I told you I haven't been. See, I haven't been is helping verb actually, yeah. Haven't been negative helping verb, I is subject, so question tag is have I, like this. You have to take only haven't, don't know, just you have to skip the word been here. Next, past perfect continuous tense. Just look at the word, you should be able to identify whether it is present tense or past tense. Okay, I had been studying SSLC for 1 year. Year in this statement, had been. Actually, there are two helping words. Just you take only had, skip the word been. Hadn't I? See that. Statement is positive, question tag is negative. Here also, I hadn't been living in Chikmagalur for 20 years. Here, I hadn't just been. Here also same. This is a negative statement. So question tag is positive here. Next, future perfect continuous tense. She will have been working in Bombay since 2025 when she gets married. Right? Here, look at the helping verb here. Just you have to take, see, will have been. Here you get three helping verbs. Will, have been. Firstly, you have to take only will. Okay, just to take will. Actually, this is a positive statement. Positive helping verb will is there. So statement, the statement is positive. Question tag will be negative. Next, here he will not have been directing a film for 3 years when I reach 30 years. Here, see that this is negative statement. Statement is negative. So question tag will be positive, right? Yeah, this is a positive. Question tag should be, right? No. What is the question tag here? Will ye just, okay? Will ye just, you have to write will ye. Now it's very easy. Today I already completed question tag, right? So I hope you have understood. It's very easy, you can learn it, but you have to watch 2 more time, definitely will understand. Thanks for watching. Okay.